What is going on, Snapifier land? This is Kurt, and I have got some amazing news for you today. We are, you already knew that Snapifier could do some AI interaction using the AI assistance from OpenAI for you to include a chatbot inside of your Snap. We've taken it a bit further, and now we're allowing you to also create HTML elements utilizing AI. So let me show you what uh, I'm talking about, and I'm going to hide here and present my screen. And there we go. So I am logged in, and I've created a blank snap, and it's all about the new AI update. Come down to the page elements. Right now, there are no page elements whatsoever. So I'm going to go ahead and click on add, and I'm going to come down to HTML code. And I'm just going to say top code, and I'm just not going to put anything in there and just click save. Well, it's going to say you have to put something in there. So I'm just going to put hi. And it says successfully created. Do you want to modify or generate the HTML code with AI? Go ahead and click OK. You're now going to see this screen. You're going to see where it says hi. You're going to see query parameters up on top. Let me go over those first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move myself down here. And now what you're going to do is just put question mark name equals, and then type in your name. Doesn't matter. Could be any name. And email equals email@example.com. And biz name equals crowley.link. And URL equals http crowley.link. We'll just put that there. And what I'm going to do is once I have that, I'm going to come over here and say include variables. And I'm going to hit this little send button here. And it's going to go over to the AI, and it's going to make it include the variables there. There we go. Hi, Kurt Crowley. Welcome to Crowley.link. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out at example.com. Visit us. And it didn't quite include all that correctly. I will say all variables are personalization for the website visitor. I'm going to say they're personalization placeholders. So I'm just telling it belongs to the visitor, full 9 yards, all the text. So it's like, oh, okay. So it understands that. And then you can update it. But let's say that I want the font to be H1 and in red and centered. Tell it to go. And here in just a moment, it's sending everything. And then you can see it's updated just like that. This is going to help make creating it much easier. Can you place an image below the text. So personalized image, please replace. And then here's where you can go over to imgur.com. This is where I have all of my images saved because they allow you, they're a CDN. They actually hold it on. So I'm going to grab this. I'm going to copy that URL, come back over here. Can you use this image? And you can see it pulsing. That means it's sending it over. And now it added the image to the page there. This allows you to then allow AI to create the HTML block for you. Once you're done, click save. You're going to come back over here and refresh. You're going to see original text, updated text. We're going to have that removed. Boom, there we go. Now, if we come back up here and save, we come back over here, refresh. It is the way it should be. I'm going to tell it to go ahead and I'm going to see if I can use CSS to control the H1. And then use font Arial, bold. Save, come back over here, refresh. Boom, there it is. Now, of course, you're like, but where's the examples? Well, you can come right here, copy this, come right back over here, paste. Now all the placeholders are filled. I'm going to ask it, can you place default variables like you are using now? Let me give you an example. And see exactly how this works. So you can actually include that. Boom. I've added the default variables for placeholders of text. You can now see the updated content. Name is your name, your business. Email is your email, at example, URL, yourwebsite.com. We now choose save. We come back up here. I'm just going to refresh. Everything stays the same. But the minute I take away all these variables, boom, it now replaces your name, your business, an example, email, your website. So you can see how easy that you could do this as well. You don't need to know coding. This allows you to create inside a Snapifier utilizing just text. It's not that difficult. We're just adding more information to it. Now, here's a couple of things also. Let me come back over here. I'm going to come to tools for this page. And let me come down here to Loom style landing page. So URL, that's the default video, generate code. So if I copy the code here and then I close this out and I come here and I paste this in and save, and then I'm going to close this out and I'm going to edit with AI again. It's going to show what it looks like right now. So if you want to make updates to the tools that you have here, you want to do tweaks on it, you can. You could say, I don't want to include the video, or I want this, or I want that. There's the play and pause button. Um, can you make variables for the color for the play buttons? Play and pause buttons. Using the current color as default. And it's thinking, it's pulsing. What it does is it sends all this text, all this code that we have here over to AI. AI updates the information, sends it back to us, and we're going to display how it should work. So it should be updated. So these are now the variables. Can you show me it using a variable of blue? No, let's add red. That way it's striking. Let's just see. Now remember, it's sending all the code and then it's sending the reply back. There it is. Play and pause. Good to go. So you can see exactly where and how this works. This is brand new to Snapifier. I want you to get in, start playing with it. Let me know what you think. This allows you to just take this a step further than what you've ever been able to do before. This allows you to edit with AI. Initially, put your text in there that you want, grab it, edit it with AI, keep talking, have a conversation with the AI to enhance the actual appearance of the tool, of your HTML element inside of your snap. It makes it easy, it makes it quick, it makes it simple. Matter of fact, let me come back over to settings, and I'm just going to change a few things here. Save, and then refresh. It's going to get rid of that information there on top. And this is what it's going to look like when someone comes here. It's really, really simple, really easy to use. So this is Kurt with Snapifier. If you need anything, please, please do not hesitate to reach out. I'll talk at you all later. Have a great day.